Hello everyone and welcome to a new video, and today we'll show you how to use Proton Authenticator for two-factor authentication. Now let's say that I want to set the authentication for my Instagram account. So I'm going to click on Instagram account. Then I will choose between the authentication options. I will use authentication app, then hit next. Then now it will give me a code. I'm going to simply click on copy key. Then I will open Proton Authenticator from my mobile. Then I will simply click on create new code. Then I will choose enter manually. And now the title, I will type Instagram. Then I will go for the secret option and paste the key right here that I have copied before. And after that, go and click on save on the top right side. And here you have a number. You just have to copy it. Then go and click on next. Go open Instagram, then click on next. And after that, it will ask you to enter the 6-digit code. You just have to enter the code and click on next, and you're all done. Your two-factor authentication is now on. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.